Hey there. I don't know if you know, but just so you know, oh wow, that was good right there. Anyways, just so you know, in biggest verse, right, in the Big Brother Nigeria season 8, All-Star season, their weekend begins from a Thursday, and one of those Thursdays for the 5th week is today, and it starts with the pool party, which literally starts around, I think, 9:30 or 10:30, and would span for 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. This is where the housemates would get some, barbecue service, some cool punch drinks and cocktail of drinks, and get to dance in their swimsuit and all the 9 yards, right? This is where we get to see them express another side of them. And I must tell you, if we're talking about expressing another side of you, the housemates indeed express another side of them. I mean, when we're talking about even expression, we see that, Pere or Mashallah, she do it intentionally, having a good time dancing. We saw what's his name? The new guy, Prince, dance with literally 4 or 5 girls. I mean, intentional, intense dancing, grinding, or rocking. And then we see the likes of all the ones doing couplish things, we're doing their couplish things. The ones that would be jealous of their man dancing with another woman, we're jealous. The ones that would be jealous of their woman dancing with another man, we're jealous. So that's all I'm going to give you on this particular video. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please watch this video till the end. Make sure you subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below, and also share this video so the more people can see. Now, this might be something minute, something little for you, but it means a whole lot to me. Now, starting from the beginning, we saw that the housemates were having their dinner. I think a lot of them actually had their dinner, and soon Big Brother had told them that, you know what, housemates, rush to the pool party immediately. And here were all the housemates shouting and screaming. As he moved there, people are just chilling, walking around, trying to get themselves set up. Neil did not even waste time. He started dancing already in front of that mirror. We saw a number of the ladies were also sitting down on that swing-like chair. Some others were on the, what do you call it? That other place that had like beds. We saw Venita. We saw some girls there. We saw that, Somadina was like the chief of making the cocktail that they were going to drink. And, we were loving it. They were just getting, when a party starts, you don't just jump right into it. You just, take your time, move around, get some drinks, look at people, look at some. And I must tell you, these girls, every week they are keeping barest minimum to the mind to even imagine. And he did not disappoint today, because literally almost all their, bikinis were in between their legs, in between their ass cheeks. And that's like, I'm like, what? Is Biggie getting harder on just watching these girls? Because I don't know what it is. Of course, WhiteMoney, the mother and father of the house, stuck to his typical, barbecue and everything, while every other housemate were having a good time. We saw that Lucy was having this very nice bikini-like dress that looks like a gown skirt and then a top, like a bra. Like, it was really nice. I liked it. She was looking beautiful. And so we started seeing people started navigating towards each other. We saw that, what's his name? Khosi and Kim Oprah were quite, getting on it. And we saw that, Somadina was mixing the drinks. At some point I was saying, with all these drinks you want to mix, a housemate's not going to fight tonight. In fact, it's Bbnaija8. That was when it struck me. Bbnaija8 was not around for the party. Now, this was at the beginning, right? And we were waiting to see what was going to happen. They had mixed the drinks. All the housemates had come with their cups, and they were collecting and drinking. And it was a good time. People had a good time tonight, too. It was seemingly seamless. It was just seamless and beautiful. We saw that Neil was hugging and dancing and rocking Alex. And in my mind, when Tolani sees this, what will she do or what will she say? But of course, she was seeing from afar, was looking jealous, but it is what it is. We started seeing the girls were shaking their... Oh my God. Did y'all see Mercy Eke and Angel? It was as this was a competition. Mercy Eke was standing on one of those beds and was dancing and shaking it. And, Angel was in front of one of the mirrors and running her shit. And then soon enough, we started seeing that Kim Oprah and Prince were getting at it. They were dancing and rocking each other. I'm like, excuse me, what's happening? And soon enough, they dissociated. That was when I saw the bulge on Prince. I'm like, oh, daddy. Y'all don't come for me, please. And then, of course, the same Prince danced with Alex, rocked her good. And I'm like, at this point, it seems like Prince is going to literally own almost every lady in Biggie's house. And he didn't disappoint because that was not the last girl he danced with. While the show went on, I noticed that Pere and Omashala cannot dance to save their lives. Like, I mean it in every way. These guys can literally not dance. But I noticed that Adekunle and Venita were not really dancing. They were just giving boring vibes. They were not even dancing with each other. And I'm like, okay, what's happening? Are y'all waiting for some time or something? And soon, Prince and Neil danced with Lucy. This is like the second or third girl he's dancing with. And I could see Tolani's badge face it. Oh my God. Tolani Badge's face was, looking all dim. I'm like, girl, just come and take your man. We know you want to do it. And soon enough, Tolani Badge has come and pulled her man and they were dancing intentionally. And when I say intentionally, it was like grind rock, and then he turned off to face him and raised her up and had her on his lap, and they were just dancing and going at it. I'm like, what are y'all not going to do tonight? What are y'all not going to do? This girl she didn't really dance. What's her name? Don't make me forget her name. Cece was just keeping a mean face. I'm like, Auntie, nobody's fighting. You go have fun. But she didn't. She only moved to the pool and, had just a little bit of time. And I'm like, okay, no problem. We see what she's doing. And then telling about it was enjoying her man to the maximum. I'm like, okay, we see. And then I just kept watching, looking for Bbnaija8. I could not find Bbnaija8. This was halfway into the party. And then soon, Angel and her man, Somadina, after dancing and grinding and rocking, they started smushing. It was like lips to lips. These people are just doing this pool party to make people horny, and indeed they did, because I cannot begin to mention the number of hard-ons I saw. And then they were dancing and dancing. We saw that Pere got tired of dancing, which he really didn't dance, and went to sit down. Lucy too went to sit down. They were having random conversations that we couldn't hear, obviously, and Angel went on to dance with Prince again. And I'm like, okay, what's happening? Again, towards the end of the party, when the housemates had moved into the pool, I was still looking for Bbnaija8. And that was when I realized that Bbnaija8 has been here all the time. All this time I didn't know she was wearing glasses. What happened to me? Am I drunk? I think Bbnaija8 came late, but she respected herself. She didn't really dance with most of the guys, even if she did maybe one or two, and she just stuck to a little bit of drink. She didn't take too much, so as to not embarrass herself or get into a fight with anybody. I'm like, yes, that's really best for you, baby girl, because hey, things can happen. But what I'm really waiting for is after they're done with this pool party, which of course I'm going to bring you an update on. So stick around.